Welcome to our channel. TP Link Wi-Fi 7 router not working? Try these 10 fixes. Step 1. Restart the router. Unplug your TP Link Wi-Fi 7 router from the power outlet. Wait about 30 seconds, plug it back in, and give it a few minutes to fully restart. Step 2. Check the internet connection. Make sure the Ethernet cable from your modem or ONT is firmly connected to the router's WAN/internet port. A loose cable can stop the router from getting online. Step 3. Check the router lights. Look at the status lights on the router. If the internet light is off or showing an unusual color, check your modem and cable connection before changing other settings. Step 4. Reboot your modem. Turn off your modem and router. Wait around 60 seconds, turn the modem back on first, and wait until it is online. Then power on the TP Link router. Step 5. Connect to the correct Wi-Fi network. On your phone or computer, open Wi-Fi settings and make sure you are connected to your TP Link router's network instead of an old saved network or nearby extender. Step 6. Forget and reconnect to Wi-Fi. If the router appears connected but the internet does not work, forget the Wi-Fi network on your device. Search for it again, enter the password, and reconnect. Step 7. Check the TP Link app. Open the TP Link Tether or Deco app, depending on your router model. Check whether the router shows an internet connection and look for any setup or firmware notifications. Step 8. Update the router firmware. Outdated firmware can sometimes cause connection or performance problems. If an official firmware update is available for your exact model, install it and allow the router to restart. Step 9. Try another device. Connect another phone, laptop, or smart TV to the Wi-Fi. If only one device has the problem, the issue may be with that device rather than the router. Step 10. Reset the router. If nothing else works, consider a factory reset. Press and hold the reset button according to your model's instructions, then set up the router again from scratch. Thanks for watching.